Hey, Angels, you want to know the secret to look fresh and clean all day in school. Looking fresh and clean at school is just about making a good impression. It's also boost your self-confidence and well-being. So let's get started, helping you to look your best version in school after this video. Hygiene is the key. Take regular shower and use a mild smelling soap and body wash. Brush your teeth twice a day and consider using mouthwash to keep your breath fresh. Keep your nails clean and well groomed. Apply deodorant to stay fresh throughout the day. Skincare. Established skincare routine includes 1. Cleansing, 2. Toner, 3. Moisturizing, 4. Sunscreen. Apply a sunscreen with a high SPF to protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays. Carry a travel-sized facial mist with you to give your skin a quick and refreshing spritz when needed. Hair care. Keep your hair clean and well maintained by washing it regularly with a shampoo and conditioner that suits in your hair type. Be experimental with different hairstyles that are comfortable and suits on your personality. Clothing. Wear clothes that are comfortable and reflect your personal style. Wear sunglasses, it can shield your face from sun and keep you looking stylish. Choose comfortable and clean shoes, it gives good impression. Accessories. Accessories like simple jewelry, watch or bracelet, backpack. Eat and drink. Drinking enough water and consuming a balanced diet can positively impact your skin and overall appearance.